Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use paddle shifters Honda Insight. Start by selecting Sport or S mode, which enables manual shifting with paddles immediately. Keep hands on the wheel, use the right paddle to upshift and left to downshift, and watch RPMs to avoid lugging the engine. Use gentle taps for single shifts and hold briefly for sequential shifts, and practice in safe traffic to build confidence. When to shift matters more than how fast you do it, so anticipate changes in speed and terrain. Upshift to keep the engine in its power band for smooth acceleration and better fuel economy. Downshift before long downhill stretches to help control speed with engine braking and reduce brake fade. In slippery conditions, shift earlier and more gently to avoid sudden torque spikes that can break traction. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and hit like so I can make more practical car guides. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading manuals, road trip maps, and long commutes with its bright display and long battery life. I find it handy for keeping digital copies of vehicle guides when learning new features. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Smooth technique makes paddle shifting feel natural and effortless while protecting your drivetrain. Use light, deliberate taps for single changes and brief holds for multiple gears, keeping eyes on the rev meter. Match downshifts to speed so the engine revs match the road load and avoid abrupt clutching sensations. Practice in low-risk areas to refine timing and build muscle memory before using paddles in busy traffic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.